So hope screen is visible now for everyone.
Yes, sir.
Within a 2 minute, I will just explain the start the class. Okay, I think two or three member is new here, so I just take a 2 or 3 minute. Okay. सी अगर आप फर्स्ट टाइम कैनवा पे आते हो ना, canva.com, कैनवा पे आप ग्राफिक डिजाइनिंग कर सकते हो, कोई भी टेम्पलेट, किसी टाइप का टेम्पलेट को। सी फर्स्टली आपको इस टाइप का लुक मिलता है। आपको यहाँ पे क्या करना पड़ता है, सिर्फ आपके पास ऑलरेडी अगर अकाउंट है तो लॉगिन कर लो, अगर नहीं है तो आप साइन अप कर सकते हो। ठीक है
सर,
अगर
सॉरी टू इंटरप्ट यू। सर, प्लीज लेट मी नो कि हम साइमल्टेनियसली कैसे प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं ये क्लास लेते हुए।
प्रैक्टिस करना है आपको साथ साथ।
हाँ हाँ, तो जस्ट प्लीज लेट मी नो दैट हम अब वो डुअल स्क्रीन हम कैसे कर सकते हैं।
आपको स्क्रीन भी प्रेजेंट करना है, मैं समझा नहीं।
नो, नॉट स्क्रीन प्रेजेंट, आई एम सेइंग कि अगर हम साथ साथ प्रैक्टिस करेंगे, फॉर एग्जांपल अभी मैंने वो लैपटॉप से लॉगिन किया है, तो अगर हम साथ में चाहते हैं कि हम।
एक्चुअली एक्चुअली पता है, अगर आप साथ साथ करोगे ना तो फिर आपको थोड़ा दिक्कत हो सकता है। बट यू कैन ट्राई ना, यू कैन ट्राई विथ मी आल्सो। आई विल से दो एवरीथिंग इज फ्री, यू कैन ट्राई। ओके।
हाँ, तो दैट्स व्हाट आई एम आस्किंग सर कि मैं ये भी चाहती हूँ कि मैं आपकी स्क्रीन भी देखती रहूँ और दूसरी तरफ मैं प्रैक्टिस करती रहूँ। तो हाउ कैन आई ओपन, आई मीन कैनवा मैंने खोला हुआ है ब्राउजर पर, बट हाउ कैन आई एक्सेस दस टू स्क्रीन ऑन लैपटॉप साइमल्टेनियसली?
Screen, just minimize the screen from here. Okay, just minimize this screen and just give the one side like this one. Okay, just do like this, and second one do like this.
Please do it again, sir. How come? From where I have to minimize the screen, sir?
Here option. See this on the top side.
Okay.
You can minimize it from here. Okay, this is minimize, and this is uh, now here you can do three option you get on the top side. See, this is a fresh account, or this is a new account. If you want to create a new account, na, just click on sign up. Easy way you can do, just go and sign up with Google. Okay, just click on the sign up with Google. Okay.
So that I have
आपके
done. I
पास
have done.
sorry.
वो मैंने सर कर लिया. That I have done.
Okay. So I'm just saying the 2 or 3 member also they joined today. Just type your email. Okay, just go next, do next. Okay, it will be your account will be created here. After your account now, this type you are seeing the your look first, your dashboard look like this one. Okay, and you can't see this one because it's a recent design of my, so you can't this one. आपको ये नहीं दिखेगा, right? Just going here. Okay. So I will discuss today 2 or 3 design for the social media. I will fully discuss about the social media, how you can design your social media template and everything. My screen is visible or not for everyone?
Yes, sir. It's visible, sir.
Visual. Okay. So see, just come on the template. Okay, just take your mouse on the template. You see here is lots of social media template. Okay, just click on see all. Click on see all. Which type you want to make a social media post, you can make any social media post from here. Okay, here you haven't required to like a size. आपको यहाँ पे कोई भी किसी टाइप का ना साइज रिक्वायर्ड नहीं है कि आपको फेसबुक का साइज के अनुसार पोस्टर फोटो बनाना है या फिर पोस्टर बनाना, कुछ भी ऐसा नहीं है। आप जिस टाइप को आपको बनाना है, आप सिंपल आओ, जस्ट कम हियर एंड जस्ट क्लिक ऑन सोशल मीडिया। ओके, जस्ट टू व्हाट यू वांट टू क्रिएट लाइक इंस्टा पोस्ट, फेसबुक पोस्ट, इंस्टाग्राम स्टोरी। अगर आपको इंस्टाग्राम स्टोरी बनाना तो जस्ट कम हियर एंड सी दिस इज इंस्टाग्राम स्टोरीज साइज। ओके, your stories, WhatsApp status. If you want to make your WhatsApp status, so you can create from here also. And see, Canva also they provide the now launching their desktop app and mobile app also. You can use app also. I'm just using browse. Okay, I'm just browsing here. See, this is lots of template: Twitter template, YouTube channel art, social media, फेसबुक ऐड, यू नो द फेसबुक ऐड, फेसबुक ऐड जहाँ पे हम आप लोग देखा होगा कि आपके फीड के ऊपर ना, फेसबुक फीड के ऊपर आपके पास कुछ ऐड आता है जो कि जिसके ऊपर स्पॉन्सर लिखा हुआ रहता है, तो उस साइज का यहाँ पे आपके पास टेम्पलेट मिल जाता है, दिस साइज फॉर दिस फेसबुक ऐड. ओके, like this one, but I'm here to using my template. Okay, so I will say you how I can use this template. I think I get 2 or 3 message. They are saying, Prince, I want to make like this type of image for my personal branding. I think there are lots of teacher also. They are saying I want मैं मुझे ना वेबिनार लेना होता है तो मैं अपना फोटो लगाना चाहता हूँ. I don't know how I can create my photos, so I will just edit this photo. Okay, you can also edit like this one. If anyone want to know this image, this template, you can I have your mail IDs. Okay, so I can share with you on your mail ID, so you can access this template. See, firstly what I'm doing with this template, this is Insta post. You can see here 1080 1080. If you go here now, click on create a new design. See, this is an Insta post and size, this is a size of Insta post. Okay, Instagram post. So this is a post, this size of this template is an Instagram. Okay, this is fit for Instagram, Facebook also. I'm using this image for my also WhatsApp status and everything. I'm using this image, so you can say Insta post everywhere you can use.
सर ये ऑप्शन कहाँ से
Sorry?
आई है, किस पे ये ऑप्शन जहाँ से आपने ये इंस्टाग्राम वाला निकाला है?
सॉरी मैम, कोई कुछ बोल रहे हैं जो आपका नॉइस मुझे आ रहा है.
अच्छा,
हेलो,
मेरी आवाज नहीं आ रही सर?
हेलो,
सर आप सुन पा रहे हैं?
आई एम ऑडिबल और नॉट?
Prince, you are audible. Actually, she's just want to ask you that please repeat again. How did you reach to this particular page?
Okay, okay.
And another
Here
thing
just
is,
come
when
na.
sorry, when you are clicking on the social media, you are getting see all. But when I'm opening mine one, I cannot see all. There are just a few limited ones. Is your paid version or the free one?
No, it's my free version. You can see here now. My this one is my paid version and this one is my free version. So I'm just using my free version account for this account. Okay, just see, click on template. Okay, just click on social media. If you have social media, na, just click on social media. Or you can do what you can do here also. Just search the template. Means अगर आपको किस चीज के लिए टेम्पलेट बनाना है, लाइक मुझे टेम्पलेट बनाना है सोशल मीडिया पोस्ट के लिए, लाइक फेसबुक के लिए, तो जस्ट आई टाइप हियर फेसबुक. ओके, फेसबुक, and you see lots of template is here showing you, like Facebook ad, Facebook app ad, Facebook cover page, you know, Facebook cover, background of your profile photo, प्रोफाइल पीछे के फोटो के पीछे जो बैकग्राउंड में होता है ना इमेज, वो कवर हो जाता है. हेयर फेसबुक पोस्ट and lots of image here also, Facebook shop cover. Okay, Facebook stories, lots of things you can get here. If I will searching for the Instagram. Okay, see here lots of template, lots of sizes they are showing me, suggesting me for the making for the Instagram. Okay, newsroom, Instagram post, lots of things is here. You can use anyone. So if you want to make Instagram post, or you can also search like a YouTube channel art, right? If you want to make a YouTube thumbnail, just type YouTube and you will get lots of things here. Okay, what you want to make, YouTube icon, YouTube thumbnail, you can video ad. Okay, what you want to make, just click anyone and just you can create. Okay, I'm just saying to you also, one option for you here. So go social media, just see here Instagram stories, Instagram post, Facebook post, Facebook cover, and Twitter post, Pinterest pin. Okay, there's lots of things here. I'm just discussing my this template because I get a lot of query about this one, and I will discuss 2 things, 3 things is here. One of my their client restaurant, this one also. See, I just use my photos. I'm just this is my blank sheet. Okay, this is my blank sheet. This is my blank sheet. Okay, I'm just take a rectangle shape here. So I will just bring down. See, nowadays, na, personal branding is the most important thing in the world. I think so. बिकॉज मैं डिजिटल मार्केटिंग करता हूँ और मैं जितना सीखा हूँ ना डिजिटल मार्केटिंग में, दे आर ऑल आर सेइंग टू जस्ट build your brand, build your everything. If you build your brand, na, you will get everything. So,
Sir, which option is better? I mean, which option is better for personal branding, sir?
personal branding is you should have to make your own brand. Like आपको पब्लिक में आपको आपका खुद का कुछ आइडेंटिटी होना चाहिए. Like you can say ना, there are lots of TikTok start. They are
From sir, under which head I can get the templates for personal branding?
See, I'm not saying I'm just searching for you. Just wait.
Okay.
Personal branding have no any template. Okay.
Okay.
I'm just saying if you see आपको कहाँ पे पर्सनल ब्रांडिंग करना है. लाइक सोशल मीडिया पोस्ट, सोशल मीडिया से आपकी पर्सनल ब्रांडिंग बनेगी, राइट? You can create your personal brand on social media. So you can use social media template like a Facebook template, Instagram template. Okay, so just come and make your template like a Facebook post. Okay, so I'm just making a post for the Instagram. So this is my Instagram, you can say post. One up. So I'm saying to just try to make your own brand on the Facebook. So it will be good on social media. Na? Social media you can make brand. See, just I'm taking this color. Okay, no, I'm just taking my photo. I'm just use this photo. Okay, but I will explain everything. Now you can see now here I have no shadow. Here I have no shadow, but in this background I have shadow. Okay, and one thing I have to do, I have to take a wall here. Okay, I'll just come here. I just type a wall. Okay, I just use this one. Just send to back. Okay, just see अगर आपको पोजीशन करना है, just click on the position. Okay, where you want to send background, just I am saying the back. Okay, so we're going back, right? I know I want to I have to create a shadow. Okay, just I am copy this image and pasting here. Okay, same position. This session is recording now. Okay. You have 2 and 3 options. You can make your own shadow. Just I'm going there and just increase the size. Increase some size. Okay, only some size. See, I just increase size, and I will just come on edit image. I just increase the brightness. Okay. Just increase the brightness, so it will be going some like this one. Okay. But it will be not yeah, it's here.
सर फोटो के पीछे से बैकग्राउंड कैसे रिमूव किया आपने?
I think someone saying something like I can't
I am not audible, sir.
आपको ऑडियो नहीं जा रहा है?
Can you listen?
Yes. Hello. I can hear someone saying clear audio. I think आपका माइक ऑन हो जाता है तो मुझे लगता है किसी को कोई डाउट है. अगर कोई डाउट है तो माइक ऑन करना प्लीज ना, इससे डिस्टर्ब हो जाता है थोड़ा सा. डाउट है तो
I think like she is not able to reach you. She's trying to tell you that how did you remove the background from this image?
No, I am just making the okay. This image, na, okay. I have to say that this one also. Just see, if I will on my pro account, na, I'm just saying here in the pro account, you will get uh, see this one background remover. Okay, this is in paid one. If you have no paid one, na, just come on the website. Just type this one, remove.bg. Right /upload. Okay, just you type remove.bg. Here you can upload any photo. You can upload any photo. Okay, you can upload here any photo, and I'm just uploading my one of photo from my gallery. Just wait. Okay, I'm taking this photo. Okay, no, what do you know? Okay, I'm just taking this photo. Okay, so for the I can remove this image. See, in the if you have no pro account, na, just come here. See this website remove.bg.com. Okay, you can upload any photo. It will ये आपको आपका बैकग्राउंड का रिमूव करके दे देगा. सी दिस इज कितना इजीली इसको ना कर दिया रिमूव. ओके, यू कैन इजीली डाउनलोड इट एंड यू कैन यूज एनीवेयर. Now I get I just remove this background. See, this is no background is here. Okay, so you can use this website. I'm just give you the link if you want to use. You can use it. Okay. सो अगर आप इसको अगर रिमूव बैकग्राउंड कर ली हो ना, तो सिंपल आपको ना अपलोड द इमेज. ओके, जस्ट क्लिक ऑन अपलोड इमेज. आपको फाइल में जाकर के इमेज को अपलोड कर लेना. ठीक, राइट. इमेज अपलोड करने के बाद यू कैन गेट दिस टाइप ऑफ इमेज. ओके, नाउ आई एम यूजिंग हियर सम फिल्टर. ओके, जस्ट आई एम गोइंग द एडिट इमेज. You can use some filter. Okay, I'm just using the summer. Okay, this one. I'm just making shadow in the background. I'm just sending back. Okay, now see here is some. I'm trying to make background. See, it look like something is a hair background, no? But I want a black color, so I'm just come here and I just go in here, choose your color, any color you can choose. I'm just typing the. Okay. Now you can see the image here. I'm just crop this image. Okay, in my back, so I will get a proper shadow. But here is one problem. It take a full image. ये पूरा image को ना background shadow दे रहा है. So you can do also one thing. Just come on any shadow. Okay, and just come here. Not this one. This is your second option. You can use shadow. Firstly, where is it? Sometimes you are seeing in the background something look like this type white color, so you can use also this type of color for your background of in the background of your photo. Okay, I'm just taking this one. I just try to adjust this one. Many YouTubers doing like this. If you are watching the YouTube, there are many YouTubers doing like this one. So मैनी यूट्यूबर जो आपने देखा होगा यूट्यूबर के यूट्यूब के थंबनेल के ऊपर ना इस टाइप की इमेज लगे हुए रहते हैं. So they are doing many YouTuber also using only the Canva for their thumbnail and everything. They are using only Canva. Something look like this one. Okay. Okay. I want to make like this one. So it's look like this one. Okay. Just come here and where is it now? You can also increase the background. I am just see. I am just selecting the my background image. Here is my background image, na this one. So what I can do here now, I just make the brightness so it will be fully white. It will going to look like this one, this type. Okay. So now I'm just saying to you how you can make in an easy way your shadow. Just come here and see, here is one shadow option also you can get, but it's not look good. I have them. Wait a minute. You use shadow. Okay, this one is shadow. You can use any type of shadow here, so it will give you look like this one. Okay, so okay, right here. Screen visible now. I think I have net problem. स्क्रीन विजिबल आप लोग को स्क्रीन विजिबल है क्या?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
सी अगर आपका नेट चला जाता है तो दे आर शोइंग ऑफलाइन. आई डोंट नो व्हाई दे शोइंग ऑफलाइन, बट आई हैव द इंटरनेट एक्सेस. I just refresh it. Okay, that's right. So I'm just coming here. Okay, where is shadow? Okay, see the all shadow is here, but it's not looking good now. Just take this blow. I will explain this tools now, so you can simple. See, it's not looking good. That's why I'm trying to make that one, so you can get a just do control that, so we'll get your last design. I'm blurring this photo. Wait a minute. Okay, just copy this and just send in back. Just take it in background. Just now you can do what you can do. Just make this image na blur, blur, so you can it easily be the background like a shadow. Or you can also do many things like you can also go here. Okay, on the element just type shadow. Shadow. Okay. I'm just showing you shadow. So you can just I'm using this one. I'm just adjusting the मैं just इसको adjust कर रहा हूँ, ठीक है, बस just adjust. Okay.
Sir, the tools or options which you are selecting, na, they are not clear.
मैंने बताया था कल कि आपको 80% चीजें जो है ना आपको इसमें मिल जाते हैं एलिमेंट सेशन. आपको कुछ भी चाहिए होता है, लाइक इफ यू वांट एनी फोटो, शैडो, any box, anything you want, just come here and search your things what you want. If you want any like a watch, any car emojis, and anything you want, just search here. You can get everything is here. Okay. I don't know what is, sorry. See, it's making some shadow in the background. Okay, just what you do now, just make a copy and just make on the here. Okay, I just copy it.
Sir, can you please show once again? Suppose we need to change the background. Just quickly, you just show us.
I think someone saying some.
Yes, sir. Sir, I am audible, sir.
आपका वॉइस ना बहुत कम आ रहा है, आप मुझे थोड़ा सा लाउड बोल सकते हो?
Sir, can you like see? You can change once again the background quickly, just quickly. So suppose another page. Can you, sir, again show quickly that how we can change the background now of these images?
Image background. You can just use this website. Is a remove.bg. Just upload your photos.
That I got. We can remove those kind of backgrounds. Now in that picture, just last slide, sir, your picture was there, no? So suppose I want to get one kind of sky kind of thing in the background, or any kind of like.
Okay. So, just come here and just search what you which type you want.
Just I want to see quickly. Suppose you want to change the background now. So how I can do it quickly?
बैकग्राउंड मतलब कहाँ का बैकग्राउंड आपको चेंज करना है, यहाँ का?
That bricks, yeah, that bricks.
Okay, just miss which type of background you want. Just you see you have two options. Okay, in your sidebar na, here is a background option. Which type of background you want? If you want like a sky, just type sky. Okay, You can see the lots of things, lots of free things is here. You can use anyone. I'm just put there. Okay.
Okay.
So this it will be automatically going in your background. This is image. That's why it will be showing you here. See, it's my sky, na? It's the sky. It's showing me the background. Okay. Just pop it and you can use.
Sir, please, yeah, just quickly change the background and then we have to select the option to get it back or front. This I think that should be there, right?
I can't get your point. You say just I have to just change the background, right?
Yeah. You quickly change, but I could not follow it. It was so quick. So please explain it once again, please.
See, there is a background option you can get here. If you don't want, here is a background option. Okay, you can choose any background. Okay, you can choose this. This all images are free. You can use any image. I just clicking on the image now. See, my background will change now. See, my background will change.
Oh, just we can click it on the background and it will change. So, sir, we
Sorry?
defined the background already, right? So that background is only changing. It is very nice. Very nice, yes, sir. I could get it.
Okay,
So
I'm just listening in the background now. I can't. You are now not audible. आपको थोड़ा जोर से बोलोगे, अपना बहुत कम आवाज आती आ रही है.
Sir, I followed your point. Like you defined your image, then just click on the background type and select, and it will do the things. Then keep
Yeah,
it. Okay. Got your point, sir. Thank you.
Otherwise, you can do it means you don't want this type of background. No? Just go and picture photos. Okay, which type background you want? I want to my gym background. Okay, so just I'm clicking on the page gym. Now you see lots of gym background is here. I just want to use any. You can use any background. So I want to use this background now for my background. So I'm just here doing. I just send this image in my background. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Just click, just go position. Okay, just send, go to back. Okay. It will go back. Okay, so this is my background now. Just
Right. I understand.
Just I'm doing Control Z for the my last one background. Big. Okay.
Right.
See, here is I have some shadow. Okay, I have some shadow. You can use this shadow. Otherwise, you can what you can do. You use this image and edit it. I'm just saying,
Yes, sir. Shadowing is important because it will be like more realistic kind of thing. It will show.
I'm just sharing with you.
Right,
Just
right.
take this. See, you have image now. Just take a copy and make it like a blur. Okay, I'm just doing some blur.
So we have to clearly define from your first slide itself. You have to define the which is the background is, right? So then we can able to change the backgrounds.
Sorry.
I mean to say, so we have to clearly define the backgrounds, right? So like you have saved the image in the first slide, few minutes back when starting the lecture. So we have to clearly define the background, right?
I can't get your point.
Sir, background one, you have selected the portion of the image and then you choose those kind of bricks, right, sir? As a background.
Yeah.
Right, sir. Then it is easy for the things to do further. I got your point, sir.
See, अगर
See,
आपको background,
I think if you'll practice this, then only the things will get clear to you. I think so.
right. आपको practice करना होगा, right? So just now I'm just blur this one, okay? And now increase your brightness. You want to dark shadow, na? Just I'm doing dark shadow. I just put it in my background, this image. Like I just send to back. Okay. See, here is I got my shadow. Okay, but you can see now there are lots of shadow. I don't want more, so just decrease the. Just come on, just decrease the. Okay, just I'm doing only some. Okay, and I just increase the brightness, so I will get more. Only some. Okay, something look like this one. So you see here is okay. Now I just it's looking good now. Now it's looking and it's showing. I have the background. I have the shadow on my background. Okay, so it's looking good now. I'm just doing just take your image and make it copy. Just go and adjust and make blur and make it adjust. Okay, what you want to do here you can do, and it will be if you do blur na, if you do blur, so it will be going same. Okay, and it's not my background image. Here is my background image. Okay, this one is my background image. See, okay, I'm taking two images for making the shadow. Okay, I want if I want now only one side shadow na, so I will what I will do, just I will just crop this image. So you see one side background only I have, one side shadow why I have only. Okay, you can do same. Now you can write what you want to write here text na. If you have any seminar, if you are giving any lecture, if you are working with any companies na, there are lots of meeting there, so you just click on the text. Okay, just choose your text, what you want to write. Just you can write here. I just write 5-day Canva workshop. Okay, I'm just writing my next class is free digital marketing course, free digital marketing. Right, free digital marketing course. Now you can increase the size here from here. Okay, I'm just taking 100 right now. Just put here now. But you can see here now here is a lots of thing, lots of difference between the two lines. I'm just also discuss about these things. I started class. Just click on this here and line spacing na, just decrease it. Just doing something like this one. But I want I just cut it here and I am just taking one more text. I'm just here writing 1 month free digital marketing course. Okay, I just write it like this one. Just increase the size. Just choose your font, which type font you want to use. I just saying I'm just using this font. Okay, so it will make more bold like this one. Okay, see, I just increase the size of my text. See, something look like this one. I'm just adjusting this one alignment. If anyone want to join now my free digital marketing class, you can join. I will start shortly my class. I will not take any charge for the digital marketing class. Okay. No, you can see here I have some curve. Okay, I have some curve. So you just take a circle from element. I just taking circle here. Okay. Okay, sorry. I just struck circle here and I paste it here. Just change the color. I use this. I use it. So just stack and I will do like this one. Okay. Now it's look like a curve. Like, and I am also giving here some band like a band. See, you can just come here and search like a curve, CURV, curve. So it main thing is here is a paid one, but don't take. I will give you the option. Just come here, click on the free, apply. Okay, there are lots of things you will get free. I'm using this one for my this one. Okay, I just use this one. You can choose your you can choose the color. I just want to use green. Okay, put green and I will make it some more big, and I just you have some you have to do some more, you can say na, you have to adjust here. Okay, just आपको यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा ना adjust करना पड़ेगा, थोड़ा मेहनत करना पड़ेगा. तो Yeah, it's now good. Now it's something look like this one. Okay, just take a copy and paste it here and all. See, I want now. I don't want this arrow, so I just come and this image. Crop this image. Okay. Now I want a straight one, but here is na, you see there is curve also, so I can flip this one. Flip. Okay. Now you can see I will get the curve now here. I just make it. Okay. So just push it back. You have to adjust now, focus and adjust these things, so it will make more unique and more good. And I just send it back. Back. Now it will ये देखो अभी ना बैक में चला गया, ठीक है. Just I'm just go here. Now you see it's look like this one, but here is na some I use some more space of the top, right? Here I use some more space. Don't worry, I will see if you make something different now, just put see here I have lots of space. So what I will do here, I'm just searching free. I will give the free course. So I'm just searching free. I will use any animated photo, video, and emojis. Just going here and there. I'm looking for the free. If I will get any emoji. Sorry. I can use this one. Okay, I can use this one also. You can use anyone. I'm just using this one. Okay. Sorry, it's game. It's game now. Just don't worry. I just crop this game. Okay, and just use this one. Just look better now. Control Z, so it will go back. Okay, now I can write here batch when I will start my batch. Now you can write here, so it will look more good, right? See, it's a I think if you can create within a 15 minutes. If you are a beginner, you don't know anything, na? You can create any image like a 15 minutes. I'm just saying to you how you can create this type of image. See, I haven't pro account, so what I will do here, I just take an image, I just upload the here image and remove the background, and I use my image on my design. Okay, and I will share with you, and one or more design is here. Okay, this is for my restaurant. And this see for every social media, you just come here and choose a template. I'm just saying to you, yes, if I want now for the Twitter post, come click on the Twitter post. Okay, and here you will get lots of template. You will get lots of template from your Twitter account. Okay, that is very it is just I am finding here Twitter. Okay, see, here is lots of Twitter template. Okay, you can use any template. You can use any template. This is perfect size for you for your Twitter. Okay, feed. See, this one is free. You can use this image. You can use also this image and this template. You can also use this template. It's free one. It's free one. Okay, everyone is lots of here free. See, it's a pro one, but you can use how you can use this one like your free version. I'm saying to you, it will not give you a option to make edit. I'm just saying something showing to you. Okay, just see there is a text. You can use a text shadow. Just click on the text. Okay, just come on effect. Just give the here. Okay, see it's something look like this one. You can use a many text also, and if you don't want to use this shadow, you can here is lots of your already have already text have shadow, right? If I want to use this text, you can use this text. If you want to this look like this one, you can see here is here is it. See background have any type of shadow, right? Brightness. So you can use like this one. If you want like this, you can see here is a brightness, but it's a paid one. It's a free one. You can use this one also. You can this one use also this one. It's the same. It's the same text. Okay, it's the same text. You see, online shopping, it's the same text here also. Below one. Okay, you can use this one. It's a free one. Pizza party. You can see here. He write the desktop. It's a laptop. It's the same. Look same. This font also is available for free. Here I will see the this one. No? I think this one is for free. See, it's a cursive writing. So cursive. So you see, here is a free one. You just don't use paid one. Just create your own. Take a sample and just create your own. Okay. I'm just showing you. Just see, here is I just creating this one for my one is in my hometown is a restaurant. So I'm just creating for him. This type temple. See, this is totally simple. I don't use. I haven't used anything here. This is not logo of my restaurant. Okay, my client restaurant. So I'm using this one. Here is he has logo. I just using the logo. Now see, I just using this dot. You can see now here is a remove option. You use this one is as a pro. So I will show you how I can use as a free also. See, just click on the element, just go type a dot. Okay, just type a dot. You will get everything in the element section. Element section, you will get everything. See here, lots of everything is free here. Okay, everything is free here because I apply the filter. See, everything is here. But if you want to make your own dot, just come select, take a circle. Take a circle. Okay. Just
sir, sorry to interrupt, sir. Sir,
sorry.
Sir, suppose that coffee cup. So can we just like put some animations
Can you say
in your
loudly?
background?
I can't properly hear your voice.
Sorry, sir. Sir, like that cup, no, you choose just now from this pizza. Above there was a cup. So can this like some kind of a realistic zip file? Can we make it like you show your picture, no, in the past? So like coffee is like giving
What
some
you saying?
kind of
Cup,
fumes or
cup.
something.
This cup.
No. You have just chosen the cup, no, coffee cup.
Okay.
Coffee.
Yeah. I'm saying so. Sorry. This one is it's a free one.
Sir.
I'm just typing the before the logo. I'm just typing the logo. See, you can make your own logo also. I will show you how you can make logo, and I'm just taking this one from here.
Right, sir. Sir, suppose it will be like live, like it is like sending some kind of fumes, like So can we put like your free marketing strategy in that logo? Suppose it will be like live like or a zip file. Uh, like can we make it?
You want to make a zip file?
Yes, sir. So like the coffee is showing some kind of gases evaporating something
Yes,
like
yes, yes,
live
yes.
one. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Please.
Okay, okay.
Yes,
You are
sir.
saying you want to here give the animation, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So what you can
So
do
it
here?
will be more
I'm just
interesting
showing
on
to
your
you.
suppose marketing that particular thing because we now learned about the design, right, sir? About the
Yeah, yeah.
text, all things, yeah. So like it should be some kind of liveness. If it is like burning up, coffee is burning up, showing some kind of themes, it will be very interesting, sir.
Okay, okay. Just I am saying to you, just if you want to make your own something animation, so just type. I just say, type coffee. I'm just saying teacup. Okay, just I'm taking teacup. It will give the any type of animation. It will give. You can use, but I'll say not. Just come on video. Here is not the GIF. Okay, if it is GIF, then I will use GIF. But I will make my own. I'm just saying to you, just type curve, CURV curve. Okay, I'm just saying the curve. I will show you how you can make the like slide one. It's not going. I just take a curve, na? So I will. I can use this one. Okay, I will say why I choosing this one, and I will also seeing some more. So yeah, I can use this one. Okay, you see, I just crop this one. Is cropping this one small. Okay, so it look like something look like this. I just copy and copy and paste. So I will make two. Just copy. Okay, so it should look like this one. Just make a it looks like something this type. Okay, now you can make it group. Okay, put animation here. Okay,
Yes,
which
sir.
type
By
of
right
animation you want to
click,
put?
how to make the group? By right click or left click?
I think I can't. I you are not audible. So say
Sir,
loudly.
by left click or right click, how to group it, sir?
How to
How to make it as a group?
group? Just select. Okay, just select. If I want to
Okay,
make this and this group, na, just I'm just selecting this two. Okay.
sir.
See here, I get the option of group. Just do group. Okay.
Okay, okay. So there
See,
is an option in
I'm just saying,
sir,
just
sir,
saying,
sir.
I just take animation. Okay, just put
Animation. Okay.
an entire animation. Okay, see, I will get this type of animation here. So it will be showing you like it's a live. Okay, so I'm doing this one. I'm just saying to you, it's just very simple. Okay, it's very simple. You can choose the color. This is simple text. I will just taking some more big and big. But here you can see this image.
Sir, it is simple for you, but please explain. So we'll how to make the group and how to put it, sir. If you go
Just I'm
quickly,
saying,
then
just
we
see,
cannot do
just click
it.
on shift button. Just
Okay,
click on shift button. Okay, just select the element. I'm just selecting this one, and I will select this one. Okay, so see, these two are in group. I'm just creating and just doing group. Okay, now if I will move now, this both are moving same. Okay, understand how I can make group. It's easy.
Sir, please again, sir. I will take from the right side corner or left side. Sir,
Just
again.
first click on the keyboard shift button.
Okay.
And then click on mouse left button. Okay.
Left button. Okay.
And choose the second one. Okay. So see, this is two are in the same, but I want to make it group. So I will do it group. And now, if I
Yes,
will do any changes with here, if I will move this one. So second one also automatically moving.
Right.
Okay, got it.
Got it, sir.
So I want to say you something is there. I use the two things is there, pro version. So I will say you. See here I have lots of doubt. Okay, dot. How I can make my own dot? I just come on element. Okay, you can search here dot. You can get many free dot also. If you want to make your own dot, see here are lots of dot also. See this type, but this is in pro version. This is free version. Okay, you can use this one. I'm doing on this one. Okay, just make it small. Okay, here is just make a copy and paste it and make in a same line and just group it. Okay, just group it. It's in a group. Okay, you can use this image. You can use the copy and paste, and you can use this in 4 and 5 time. Okay, 4 and 5 time. This it's look like this one. But if you are thinking this is some it's more look like some big circle, so you can use a circle. Okay, I'm just saying I want to use this circle and minimize it. See, if I want to minimize now or small, I will do many like I will do this like dot. Okay, I will just control pasting here and I will I will put in the group. Okay, in the same size, just copy and paste. Okay, so it will look like this one. Just make it group. Okay, and you can now do. So this things is here, and I will tell you one thing more here. I'm using here my is a boy who is running the motor. So if I will go here now, if I will searching delivery,
Sir, please, sir, that coffee cup we want to make it live, no? So
sorry,
you put some the sir your coffee cup, sir, the coffee cup we talked about. So like smokes will be coming out. So you have already designed 2 cups, no? So that part actually I want to see also. Hello.
I can't get.
Sir, that 2 cups you have generated already for the coffee cup for the fumes to be live and saved as a zip file or something. Yes, sir.
You want to save a zip file?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So this copy you are trying to show us also some examples. So that's what.
No, you can't. You can't save from here zip file. It's not giving any option. See, okay. Zip. Sorry, zip is here. GIF is here. I think zip.
Maybe,
Oh,
sir.
yes,
You
yes,
first
yes.
design it because you have selected 2 cups. You already drawn it to show it live. I think that part you forgot. Please.
I'm just saying, na. I will share with you, know, how you can make a live,
Sir,
looking like a
sir,
live.
sir.
Just
On
put
group
the
and
animation.
group.
That's why I'm doing it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Just
Okay.
make it. Just give the animation there. Just put it here, so it will look like a live. When your video is open, means when you open the video, it's going on GIF. Okay, so it will look like a live cup. Okay, I'm just saying now. This see, this is a boy na. Delivery boy. The delivery na the delivery boy. Okay, I'm just saying searching here. You see here lots of boy, but everyone is premium. Every template is premium. But how you can use the premium? It's like look like this is good looking good na. But see here everyone is premium. So just I will share with you one more website. It's a website name is Clean PNG. Okay, Clean PNG. Just type your just write somewhere note. So you will remember this. Okay, Clean PNG. Okay, just go on Clean PNG. Here you will get lots of free. Wait a minute. You can get lots of template, lots of photos is free. Okay, see here is element. No, you can use animal. Like if you want to use COVID, no, you can just click on the here, click on this. Okay, you can download this image, this PNG type. Okay, if I want to use this one, okay, this is free one. You haven't paid, you have not pay any amount of for this image. Okay, see you can download free. It will be going on your desktop. Okay. So if I want to deliver, I'm just taking the name from here. See, here is to my PNG. Okay, it will be open now. See, here is no background. See, it's look good. I will get it for free. I just saying I'm just typing there DVL or delivery. Okay, just search delivery boy. Here lots of animation you will get, and you can use this element for your any type of purpose. Okay, I am using this one. You can see in my design I have used this one. Okay, so see here I am using this one. So if you want any type of animation, any type of animation you want, but you are saying and in Canva it paid one, so you can come on Clean PNG. It will give you free. Okay, free any type of, if you want you can use any type of element, download it and just come and click on upload section. Okay, just upload your element. See, this is my element. I will show you here. This is my actual image, actual element, but I crop from here, and okay, I just crop from the top, so it's look good here. Okay, it's looking good. Now this is my Facebook size post photo. Okay, this is Facebook post. This is Facebook post. Okay, see, this is size of this post is sorry, it's also Instagram post. Okay, this one also for Instagram, and I have one more post for the Facebook. See, first if you want to make any poster, no, you have to select 3 and 4 color and one or two type of font. Okay, 3 and 4 color, and use 2 or 3 type of font. Don't use any other type of font because it's looking like a bulky. It's not look good. Only use 3 and 4 things more. Okay, don't use more anything more. See, this photo this template is for the Facebook post. Okay, this is for Facebook post. I'm just saying something more about the if I want to use the anything more like social media. In social media I want to use it for the LinkedIn cover photo, YouTube. I'm just getting one more things is for the YouTube thumbnail. On the video, you are seeing lots approx everyone YouTube thumbnail for video. Okay, they are just creating from the Canva. Lots of YouTube also say that they are using the Canva for the template. Okay, if you want to make your own, so you can just click here. If you want to make something look like your niche, just you should have to find your niche. Okay, then you can choose here template. If you are a foodies, if you have any restaurant, if you are a means you love to cook and you want to show the your cooking blogging channel. Okay, so just take this type of image. You can do if you are a gaming channel, so you can use this type of image. If you are foodies, so you can use this type of photos. Okay, so means if in your college function, so if you want to upload that video, so if you want to use template also, YouTube thumbnail, so you can use this type of thumbnail. Okay, see for the YouTube thumbnail, you should have to find your niche firstly, like a which type video you want to create. Okay, according to you, उसके अनुसार आपको आपका YouTube का थंबनेल बनाना पड़ेगा, राइट? According to your video, you should have to create your own thumbnail. Okay, so but here you can get some brief idea. If you want to make you are a gymmer, right? अगर आपको जिम पसंद है तो if you want to give the biceps and triceps, okay, so you can use this type of image. Here lots of template you will get free. Okay, I'm just come here, came here, right? This is gaming channel. If I so मैंने किसी को अगर बोला हूँ कि मैं ना 30 days हर रोज गेमिंग का न्यूज डालूंगा, so I will use this one. Okay, so gaming news episode 25, so that new game release next. ठीक है, this type of image you can use for your gaming channel. If you want to make your own image, just click on here and just delete this color, and this is your blank sheet. You can create anything you are what you want to create. Okay, I'm just showing my one or two. I'm not making videos on YouTube, but if you are if you want to make your brand na, I will recommend you just come on the YouTube. I will highly recommend everyone to come on the call. Hello,
sir, sorry to disturb. Sir, this kind of templates what you are showing means we can have the option also. They are like group wise options that we can create and modify all the things, right, sir?
sorry.
Sir, I want to know these kind of templates which are free that are giving options for all the like all the images and all the text to modify, right, sir? I think so, sir.
I can't get your point.
Sir, those options, no, you just before 2 minutes, sir, you are showing some kind of. I think this option
Yes,
will be
yes.
there. That on these templates, there are already means some kind of groups like text, images, and we can modify, right, sir? On
Yeah,
clicking,
you
we
can only modify and use for yourself. Okay.
right, sir. I got your point.
Yeah,
Right,
it's
sir. Thank you.
already defined, already for the already available design. Okay, you can use it
Sure.
only. So I have some template. See, this is my YouTube template. One of my YouTube template. Okay. See, this is one of my second template. I think this video is deleted from my YouTube channel. This video, I think this video is still on my YouTube channel. You can see if you are want to see now, you can use this video. Use this one. Wix is a website. You can make your own website now. You can use Wix also. It's a good website builder also. Okay, so this is I'm creating this one for my YouTube channel. Okay, see, this is YouTube channel art, size of YouTube channel. Okay, so you can create for your or your own brand, which type you want to make. You can make from here. Just click on the template, see which type template you want, or otherwise you can search the template. You can choose any template and you can edit and you can use from your for your niche according to your requirement. Okay, any doubt?
Sir, doubts are there. Let other students ask. Then I can tell, sir. It's better.
So sorry.
Sir, I have some doubts also. Because whatever doubts I asked you and you clarified also. So let other students ask, then I'll ask, sir.
I think why they are leave? I think only 4 5 more than 20 more than 20 members is there, but everyone is leave. Why?
Yes, sir, absolutely. This is the problem with the teacher also. It is very bad, but students are joining but not listening and not taking interest in your class. It is not like that. You are, sir. Today I feel very nice information, and yesterday I missed your class, but it is very nice, really nice, sir.
Oh, thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. And
So
please
let
call me Prince. Sir, please call me Prince. I am just a student now. Please call me Prince. I don't like anyone saying anything for me.
yes, sir. Let other students ask, then I'll ask, sir. Very nice. And you are
Okay,
actually exploring the bridge.
I'm on
So
camera
many
now.
expectations. Yes, sir. Very nice, sir.
थैंक यू सो मच अगर आपको किसी और को भी कोई दिक्कत है तो मेरे से पूछ सकते हो यू कैन मेक योर क्वेरी
Sir, actually, after seeing your lecture, no, I have so many expectations that I can do this one, I can do that one.
यस सर यू कैन डू एंड आई विल से ना मैं आपको 2 बजे रात तक मैं जगता हूँ और मैं मेरा वर्क होता है तो मैं करता हूँ तो मुझे 2 बजे रात तक ना यू कैन मैसेज मी एनीथिंग आई विल हेल्प यू ऑन व्हाट्सएप ओके बिफोर
Sir, you
2 o'clock एंड आफ्टर 10 o'clock ओके इन मॉर्निंग 10 o'clock आपको 10 बजे बाद मुझे मैसेज करना है एंड रात में आप 2 बजे तक मुझे मैसेज करते हो तो मैं आपको रिप्लाई करूंगा विद इन 5 to 10 minutes.
no, it is your choice also. Actually, you are a teacher. You are a very nice teacher, sir. I like your spirit
Oh,
also.
thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. But I don't know why they are all are leave. Only I
Yes,
think
yes, sir, yes.
four is there.
Sir, that happens also for every kind of teachers, no? Throughout the world, it happens.
And
So
I am seriously saying I love to train people. I love to communicate with new people. So that's why I'm doing. See, I have also not charged for this webinar, but for the workshop. But for my I generating my pocket money my own self. So that's why I'm. Every month I will doing something paid 5 or 6 days. So I will get my pocket money. So and
no,
I'm focusing on my career also.
sir, it is a matter actually. If you teach no 100 students and 1 2 students will learn and do the things, it will be very nice, sir, and it will be like a satisfaction nobody can get. So that's why all the IAS officer also paid less than the teachers, less than the professors in the country. Right,
Yes,
sir?
sir.
So it is the passion. I like you. So sorry, sir, I missed your lecture yesterday actually. So
Oh, no
I know.
problem.
Yes, sir, absolutely.
You can watch
So
my
I
no that.
so that's what I want to tell. If maybe your students, some other your students, they should ask questions. Then they must have listened more and they should practice it. So after that, I can ask some kind of questions to you. So
Yes, yes,
I
you
think,
can ask me.
sir, I have
And
some doubts.
I want
But
to know. I want to know why they are leave. I don't know. I feel bad.
sir, please don't be discouraged. That will happen always.
I really feel bad. I
And
don't
it
know
is
why.
not.
They are also paying me. If it is free class, na though I will say okay it's free. Then they are not. They are pay me also, and they are on leave the class. I don't know why.
Sir. It
Okay, no
happens
problem.
everywhere. Do not think only about India. It happens always because student is a community, no? And we are student
Okay.
also. See, I missed your class also yesterday. So students will be always students. So they have different directions, different perspectives, different interests. That why they are learning also, that is quite typical to know. And during the days of COVID also, there are so many things happening and we are not able to teach the kids also. Yes, sir. Sir, I think I should we can discuss after 5-10 minutes. If some
Yes,
real
yes,
questions
yes,
will
yes.
come from you,
And please call me,
all
sir.
are living
Please call me,
anonymous.
please call me, sir.
And sir, please don't get discouraged that students are not participating, not teaching. It is the
Thank you, sir,
case
for
everywhere.
appreciating me.
It
Thank
is,
you, sir.
it is the
I will
case
try my
everywhere,
best
sir.
because I see I love the training people. I learn and I'm also giving the I think I for the last year I just starting my free digital marketing class. I will more than 120 student I will touch. I will teach the more than 120 student, but I also take a premium class. But I love teach. That's why I'm doing these things. I don't know why, but I will. I'm an engineer. I'm doing VTech, but I love to teaching. I love to train people. That's why I will try to improve my communication skills, speaking skills. So I think so. This is my. Okay, sir. You have any doubt and Sanskrit by learning? मैम आपने कुछ नहीं बोला आज. He has many doubts.
नहीं
He has
सर,
many doubts.
मैंने बोला मेरी आवाज़ ही नहीं पहुंच रही थी, अभी भी पता नहीं पहुंच रही है कि नहीं पहुंच रही है, अभी नहीं पता मुझे।
Okay.
आप सुन पा रहे हो?
हाँ जी मैं अभी सुन पा रहा हूँ.
अच्छा, मैं तो बहुत बार बोली सर, फिर मुझे मैसेज करना पड़ा बीच बीच में पूछने के लिए कि आपके तक आवाज़ नहीं जा रही है। ठीक है, वो मुझे दिख गया था कि वो मेरे से पीडीएफ बन गया थी और वहाँ पे ऑप्शन है ना। अच्छा, जेपीजी और पीएनजी में कोई डिफरेंस है कि जब हम फोटो बनाते हैं और उसको हमें किस
डिफरेंस
में
कुछ भी
डाउनलोड
नहीं
करना
है,
है?
कुछ भी नहीं. आपको कुछ भी डिफरेंस नहीं मिलता ना. आपने बोला था आपको कि पीएनजी में डाउनलोड है, राइट? जब यहाँ पे डाउनलोड पे क्लिक करोगे ना, तो हियर यू कैन गेट द ऑप्शन ओके फाइल टाइप व्हिच टाइप यू वांट टू सिलेक्ट. आई विल ही मींस कैनवा ना आपको सजेस्ट करता है कि पीएनजी डाउनलोड कर लो, ठीक है, हाई क्वालिटी इमेज. जेपीजी यू कैन आल्सो यूज पीडीएफ. व्हिच टाइप यू वांट टू डाउनलोड यू कैन सिलेक्ट एंड यू कैन डाउनलोड. ओके. आपको उस टाइम
इंस्टाग्राम
ना
पोस्ट के लिए
अपना
जेपीजी
पीडीएफ.
पीएनजी कुछ भी चलेगा?
सॉरी.
इंस्टाग्राम पोस्ट के लिए जेपीजी फॉर्म या पीएनजी फॉर्म कुछ भी?
हाँ, ये दोनों चल जाएगा आपको, ठीक है. जेपीईजी पीएनजी यूज कर लो, आपका इंस्टाग्राम के लिए चल जाता है.
ओके। अच्छा, यूट्यूब के कवर पेज के लिए भी हम इससे बना सकते हैं फोटो?
हाँ, everything you can create from Canva. If you want to make any image you want to create, just come on the Canva homepage and just what you want to make. Like you want to make your channel art, you want to make your LinkedIn profile, you want to make a Facebook profile. If you want anything, you want to make a social media post, anything you
अभी
want to
तो मैं
make, just
सर
come here and you can make
एक्चुअली
it.
सिंपल पीपीटी में बना रही थी और मैंने अभी एक्चुअली जस्ट इंस्टाग्राम स्टार्ट किया तो मुझे आ नहीं रहा था, तो मैंने यूट्यूब पीपीटी में ही बना के उसका स्क्रीनशॉट लेके, अगर आप देखोगे मैंने आपको फॉलो किया हुआ है तो आप देखोगे सेम पैटर्न का मैंने बनाया है, पर मैं जितना उसमें डिज़ाइन कर पा रही हूँ ना, मैं इसमें नहीं कर पा रही हूँ, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है। शायद अभी स्टार्टिंग है इसलिए भी हो सकता है ना सर?
सॉरी.
कि मतलब मैं जो पीपीटी में जो चीज़ क्रिएट कर पा रही हूँ ना, यहाँ पे मैं नहीं क्रिएट कर पा रही, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है।
नहीं देखो कर पाओगे. एक्चुअली क्या
शायद अभी
आई थिंक आप फर्स्ट टाइम कर रहे हो ना, तो फर्स्ट टाइम आपका देखो किसी का हैंड फ्री नहीं होता. मुझे 2-3 महीने लग गए थे मुझे फर्स्ट बनाते. पर इफ यू आर ऑलरेडी ना, अगर आप पहले से बना रहे हो ना पीपीटी पे, तो आपका हैंड आई थिंक मुश्किल से मुश्किल 15 से 20 दिन में आप, नहीं मुझे नहीं लगता 15-20 दिन, आप 2 से 3 दिन में सीख जाओगे. अगर आप 2-3 पोस्ट बना लेते हो ना, यू कैन लर्न विद इन 3-4 days.
ठीक है सर, जो इंस्टाग्राम स्टोरी रील, क्या इनका भी डिफरेंस अब आप किसी लेक्चर में बता पाएंगे कि उसके लिए हम वीडियो इसमें से भी बन जाती है, रील वगैरह सब कुछ?
रील्स आई हैव टू कवर टुडे ऑल्सो. मुझे आज ही कवर करना था. पर देखो रील्स के क्या है यहाँ पे ना, कैनवा के ऊपर आपको उतना ज्यादा ना नहीं मिल पाता है फंक्शन टू एडिट द
नहीं मिल
वीडियो.
पाता है।
You can use the other app for the, but if you want to make a simple video na, you can use Canva as a simple form.
ओके, ठीक है। तो सर हमें कम से कम कि लिमिट होता है ना, कितने सेकंड तक की डलती है? मैंने देखा उसमें, एक बार मैंने डाल कर देखी, वो शायद 60
Sorry,
सेकंड से
आपकी
कम
वॉइस ना
थी
ब्रेक
तो
हो रही
उसने
है.
नहीं उठाई। तो अगर ऐसा कुछ है तो थोड़ा सा इसके बारे में भी हमें बता देना सर।
आपकी वॉइस मैम ब्रेक हो रही है।
ठीक है, मैं आपसे व्हाट्सएप पे बात कर लूँगी।
ओके मैम, ओके, बाय।
ओके, गुड नाइट, बाय।
Dear Nigerian Diamond,